Hold on to your hats, folks. Artificial intelligence is composing music, writing lyrics, and even creating animated singers. You heard that right. What once seemed like science fiction is now a reality, and the results are mind-blowing. We're entering a new era of creativity, one where anyone with an internet connection can unleash their artistic vision. Gone are the days when you needed expensive studios and teams of professionals to produce a catchy tune or a captivating animation. Today, thanks to the power of AI, the only limit is your imagination. One of the most exciting things about this AI revolution is its accessibility. Many of these incredible AI tools are available for free. Yes, you heard that right. Free. This means that aspiring musicians, filmmakers, and artists from all walks of life can now experiment with cutting-edge technology. Imagine a world where a teenager in their bedroom can create a studio-quality music video, or a grandmother can write and illustrate a children's book. This is the power of AI. It's breaking down barriers and empowering everyone to explore their creative potential. So how did I create a singing Pixar-style avatar using AI? It all started with the lyrics. I used a remarkable AI tool called ChatGPT. Think of it as a superpowered writing partner. I gave ChatGPT a theme for my song, and it generated several catchy verses and a chorus. It was amazing to see words appear on the screen, crafted into a song structure within minutes. Of course, AI isn't perfect. I had to tweak some of the lines and adjust the rhyming scheme to fit my vision. But overall, ChatGPT provided a fantastic starting point and saved me hours of brainstorming. With the lyrics in place, it was time to compose the music. This is often the most challenging part of the songwriting process, as it requires a blend of creativity and technical skill. But thanks to modern technology, this task has become much more accessible. For this, I turned to another fantastic AI tool called Suno. Suno is an innovative platform that leverages artificial intelligence to help musicians and composers create original music effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a complete novice, Suno has something to offer. Suno allows you to create original music in various styles, from pop to classical and everything in between. The platform is incredibly versatile, offering a wide range of genres and instruments to choose from. This means you can experiment with different sounds and find the perfect match for your lyrics. I simply inputted my lyrics, chose a style that I felt matched the mood, and voila! The process was seamless and intuitive. Suno's user-friendly interface made it easy to navigate through the various options and settings. Within minutes, I had a melody that resonated with the emotions I wanted to convey. Suno generated a melody that perfectly captured the essence of my song. The AI's ability to understand and interpret the mood of the lyrics was truly impressive. It felt like having a professional composer at my fingertips, ready to bring my vision to life. The free version of Suno offers a limited selection of instruments and styles. While it may not have the full range of features available in the paid plans, it still provides enough variety to create compelling music. For those just starting out or working on smaller projects, the free version is a great option. However, I found the free options to be more than sufficient for my project. The quality of the music generated was top-notch, and I didn't feel limited by the available choices. It was a testament to how powerful and effective Suno's AI capabilities are, even in the free version. If you're looking for even more flexibility, Suno's paid plans unlock a treasure trove of advanced features. These include a broader range of instruments, more sophisticated composition tools, and the ability to fine-tune your music to a greater degree. For serious musicians and composers, the investment in a paid plan can be well worth it. Section 5. Shaping the Star. Designing a Pixar-style avatar. Now came the fun part. Designing my Pixar-style avatar. While I'm no animation expert, several user-friendly three-dimensional modeling software programs are available. I chose one with a simple interface and a library of pre-made assets. I wanted my character to be cute and expressive, so I opted for a large-eyed, whimsical design reminiscent of classic Pixar characters. The beauty of these three-dimensional modeling programs is that you don't need to be a professional artist to create something amazing. With a little patience and experimentation, anyone can bring their characters to life. Section 6. Lights, camera, animation. AI brings the avatar to life. In the world of digital creation, bringing an avatar to life is a magical process. It starts with a vision, a character that embodies your imagination. But the real magic happens when this character begins to move, to express, and to interact with the world around it. With my avatar designed, it was time to animate. Animation is where the static design transforms into a dynamic entity. The process involves intricate details, from the way the character blinks to how it walks and talks. Every movement needs to be meticulously crafted to ensure it looks natural and engaging. This is where AI truly shines. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the animation industry by automating complex tasks that would otherwise take hours, if not days, to complete manually. AI can analyze real-world movements and replicate them with astonishing accuracy, making the animation process faster and more efficient. Several AI-powered animation tools can automatically lip-sync your character to your song. This means that the character's mouth movements will match the audio perfectly, creating a seamless and realistic performance. These tools use advanced algorithms to analyze the audio and generate corresponding lip movements, and even generate realistic movements. From subtle gestures to complex dance routines, AI can handle it all. The technology can capture the nuances of human motion, making the avatar's actions look incredibly lifelike. I used one such tool, and I was blown away by the results. The level of detail and realism was beyond my expectations. My avatar moved with a fluidity and expressiveness that I never thought possible. It was as if the character had a life of its own. My avatar moved with a fluidity and expressiveness that I never thought possible. The AI captured every nuance, from the slight tilt of the head to the graceful movements of a dance. It was mesmerizing to watch. It's important to remember that AI animation tools are still under development. While they offer incredible capabilities, they are not perfect. There are still areas that need improvement, and the technology is constantly evolving. Sometimes the movements might look a little jerky, or the transitions between actions might not be as smooth as desired. These imperfections are part of the growing pains of a rapidly advancing technology, or the lip sync might be slightly off. This can happen when the AI misinterprets the audio, or when the character's design doesn't perfectly match the generated movements. However, these issues are usually minor and can be corrected with some manual adjustments. However, these are minor issues that can usually be fixed with a bit of manual tweaking. By combining the power of AI with human creativity and attention to detail, we can create animations that are not only visually stunning, but also emotionally engaging. The future of animation is bright, and AI is leading the way. Section 7. The hurdles and triumphs of AI collaboration. Working with AI is like collaborating with a talented, but slightly unpredictable partner. It's a journey filled with both excitement and uncertainty. On one hand, AI can bring a level of efficiency and innovation that is unparalleled. On the other hand, it can sometimes feel like you're trying to communicate with an alien intelligence that doesn't always grasp the nuances of human creativity. There were times when the AI tools didn't quite understand my vision, and I had to find creative workarounds. For instance, when I was working on a complex project, the AI would occasionally generate results that were completely off the mark. This required me to step back, reassess my approach, and think of new ways to guide the AI towards the desired outcome. It was a test of patience and ingenuity. For example, when generating the music, I had to experiment with different styles and tempos before finding the perfect fit. The AI would sometimes produce melodies that were too fast or too slow, or rhythms that didn't quite match the mood I was aiming for. It was a process of trial and error, but each attempt brought me closer to the ideal composition. The AI's ability to generate a wide range of options was both a blessing and a challenge. However, these challenges were far outweighed by the rewards. The moments of frustration were eclipsed by the breakthroughs and successes. When the AI finally produced a piece of music that resonated perfectly with my vision, it was a moment of pure joy. The sense of accomplishment was immense, knowing that I had navigated through the hurdles and emerged victorious. The AI tools pushed me to think outside the box and explore new creative avenues. They encouraged me to step out of my comfort zone and experiment with ideas I might not have considered otherwise. This journey of exploration led to unexpected discoveries and innovative solutions that enriched my work in ways I hadn't anticipated. They also saved me countless hours of work, allowing me to focus on the artistic aspects of my project. By automating repetitive tasks and providing quick iterations, the AI freed up my time and energy for more creative pursuits. This balance of efficiency and creativity was the ultimate triumph of our collaboration, making the entire process not only productive, but also deeply fulfilling. Section 8. A symphony of possibilities, AI's future in creativity. The potential of AI in creative fields is limitless. Imagine AI-powered tools that can generate entire movie scripts, compose symphonies based on your emotions, or even design virtual fashion shows. The possibilities are truly endless. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more powerful and intuitive tools to emerge. This is an exciting time to be a creative, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Section 9. Join the AI revolution. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of AI and unleash your inner artist. Experiment with these incredible tools, push the boundaries of your creativity, and who knows, you might just create the next viral sensation.